At Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, we're dedicated to offering the assistance and resources necessary for all your autoclave and infection control queries, and that includes answering some of the most important questions. For example, what is the Tuttnauer MiniBio Auto Reader? Tuttnauer's MiniBio Auto Reader is a compact biological reader that provides a non-intrusive way to get fast results on your spore tests. Spore testing is the method used to test the sterility of your autoclave using a biological indicator. They contain carrier spores that are resistant to the sterilization process, and the test is determined positive or negative by the survival of the spores upon testing. And they're read with the biological reader like the Tuttnauer MiniBio that hosts a wealth of benefits that make your testing fast and simple. The Tuttnauer MiniBio aims for fast turnaround times with selections of 20-minute and 1-hour incubation times. With a small footprint, storage and placement are no issue. The MiniBio sports a compact design without sacrificing cycle power. Built with the user in mind, the MiniBio has an easy-to-use layout with buttons and LED lights that indicate the available incubation options and operations with ease. With data logging and archival, the MiniBio comes built in with a thermal printer for immediate access to cycle data. And when it comes to information on your Tuttnauer MiniBio Auto Reader, SAS has got you covered. On our YouTube channel, we have introduction and operation videos for the Tuttnauer MiniBio that you can find using the link in the description below. And if you have any questions about the Tuttnauer MiniBio Auto Reader or anything else, please give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.